Hi friends, I am Maheshwari from ninth class. Topic coding and program. Coding means communicating with user and computer. Program means set of instructions to be executed to perform a specific task. Friends, can we communicate with computer? No, right? Yes. We can't communicate with computer. Friends, I have one real life example let us see. Anju and Sanju, they both are friends. One day, Anju asked her that shall we go to shopping? But Sanju can't understand her words because Sanju is a Tamilian, right? That's why she can't understand her words. And Anju is a Telugu girl. She don't know Tamil. And Sanju's don't know Telugu. They can't communicate each other. They want mediator, means translator. Here, the mediator is Riya. Riyas know both languages, Telugu and Tamil. Here, Anju is asking, shall we go to shopping? Riya is translating into Tamil. Sanju tells okay. And again, Sanju is tell to Riya okay in Tamil. And again, Riya is translating to Telugu. Okay. We can't communicate with computers because here Riya is translator, right? In computer also one have one translator, that is ASCII decimal. Instruction means which is nothing but need to follow some proper rules and commands. Let us see one example. Communicating with robot and person. The person said that, robot, please raise your hand. The robot taken proper commands. The person give proper commands to robot. That's why the robot raise hand. Friends, let us see another example. Robot, please get some drinking water. Robot can get drinking water by bottle, plate, glass and some other things. So friends, here we need to give some proper instruction to robot like, hey robot, please get some water by glass.